Okay, great. Awesome. Okay, so we are going to be working on another 5 minutes for another 5 minutes recording now. Okay, I'm going to do a backup.
Recording in progress.
Okay, great. Okay, I'm just gonna let play joins out as. Sorry, reading through the mic. Okay, meeting info, settings. Hold on, I just wanna let people in without asking to let come in. Ask me to confirm when I leave the meeting. Okay, Zoom, whatever. All right. So we have a good number of participants. Thank you again for joining me the next part of this workshop. Okay, so we are done with Microsoft. So let's look at Amazon. Amazon is dangerous, but very profitable. So you go Microsoft, Amazon, Shop, and Google. Okay. Amazon is a little bit tricky. If you guys want to start trading this, understand the chart as well as make sure that you guys are practicing on or like put down in your notes like is this making sense? Um, like if you guys want to enter, like don't do it by FOMO because Amazon, the reason why it's so profitable because it is highly volatile. When Amazon runs, it runs. If Amazon falls, it falls. And it's great for options because you really like lottos are great for Amazon, right? Like it, it goes from like zero to like 400, right? And in some instance, like it's crazy how much the contracts grow in Amazon. And and that's why also a lot of strategies put on Amazon is rolling out, right? So rolling out is way to secure your profits and then using a small amount of your capital to put into a higher strike and higher price so that you're only capturing that right because in essence it's very difficult to be the first one on the trade. That would be the hedge funds, right? We're not that. But then and there's also Amazon moves, you don't need to capture 3%. Like the other day, it moved 3%. Like that's great if you can capture 3% of Amazon. That's a huge number for Amazon. But then you can also capture 2%, which is amazing, 1%, even 0.5%, right? There's different strategies for Amazon. I know I'm not starting with a chart yet, but I'm just talking about the strategy and psychology. Um, it worked. There's a hold strategy for Amazon in which if you find the bottom or the very top and then you got a really good price on your premium, it's I've done holds before. I think I did it like last week or something like that. And that's one strategy. The other one is rolling up, in which you know it's gonna go up and you're just not comfortable with just holding your position and want to secure your bag because you don't know, right? Because Amazon, if you guys watch, it jumps up and then it jumps down. When Amazon jumps up pre-market, that is a 25-point jump, 25 to 40 jump. That is about 0.5% of Amazon. Now, if it drops, same number. So, um, you can some people when Amazon. So that's one. Sorry. So we are hold, we have roll out, and then the other one is scalping. So this is for bigger accounts. If you want to scalp Amazon, you just watch the move of the day, high of the day, low of the day, and then you can buy at the low of the day and then sell it right away, right? So that's and then buy it again at top and sell at the bottom. So you just scalp. So sometimes we scalp. Yesterday was a great scalping day for Amazon. So it's Amazon is highly affected by the UVXY and SPY. I am going to delete my lines for Amazon. Let me just take a picture of this just in case if I needed to reproduce because I Okay. All right. So those are the things that I want you to understand. And again, I've lost you in Amazon. This is a crazy trade. That's why we have the Amazon channel. So for you guys to understand, like that's why it's also hard for me to give alerts for Amazon because of its volatility. I don't know if you guys are a hold person or a scalp person or a roll up person, because I have done all of those, and it also depends on like how I feel that day, how the spy, how I'm feeling. Like if I'm not confident, like yesterday I did scalping. I was just straight up scalping with Amazon. I was just making 12%, 20%. There are days that I make 300%, 400%, and so forth, right? So that's why it is very hard to give alerts for Amazon. But one thing that I've noticed so far is if we incorporate the dark pool and the flow, like what happened last week, those are really, really bullish indicators and gives you confidence to trade Amazon. And it also helps that you guys know your levels, right? So I have been trading Amazon for quite some time, and okay, that's my husband who did that. That's the J hook. Okay, so my husband is also a good charter. He's better than me. So we bounce, like we talk about charts. Okay. Um, let me get rid of these guys. Okay. All right. Let me get rid of this. Clean chart. Okay. I am on a daily, just like what we did with Microsoft. We start with the weekly. And just like every other thing in the stock market, admit. Um, hi. Okay. Hi, Abu. We are talking about Amazon. This is part 2 of our chart workshop. Okay, so weekly. As you guys could see, it overall is an uptrend, right? No denying about it. Amazon did wonderful. So let's see if we can identify any trends on the weekly. Okay. So trends like basically where are the candles are most concentrated and so forth. So I right off the bat I see this. I don't like that. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, what number is that? As always, whenever I do horizontal line, I round it off to 20, two whole numbers, 2050. Okay. There's that drop. Oh, no. There's that drop in March right there. And then it like blew past it like no problem. Okay, so that was the old Amazon. That was the 2050, 2000 level. That was the pre-pandemic level. And then I guess people stayed home and just keep on ordering on Amazon. And then we do see something obvious here, right? Like, do you guys see the resistance or where it's like concentrated? You guys see it? Yes, no? Okay. It's right here. Okay. I don't know what number that is. I just draw the line. And then I correct it. I go settings and oh, it's my favorite number in the past year, 3550. Now I'm gonna do this as orange. So this number is very important for Amazon. And then I'll say, wait a minute. Okay, well, this went up, it got stopped here, and then went down. It's been trying to break it. 1, 2, I had a breakout. 3, 4, 2 breaks out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 attempts. No, 3 attempts after the first initial, and then it had a breakout and breakdown. Breakout, and right now it's this week has been kind of whack, right? So we don't know if it's going to go up or go down. So is that an inside candle? Let's see. Okay. So what also I like to do is now I have I would say this is a resistance. This is the top of the range, and then I want to find the bottom. So I want to find the support, right? We always wanted to see. Oh, look at that. That's also my other favorite number. 2880. Okay. This is the major support for Amazon. Okay. And why is that? Because this is a major breakout. Okay. Admit. Okay. Hey guys, welcome. We are in our part 2 of our charting workshop, and this is Amazon. So far what we've been doing is we're trying to see if we can identify patterns on a weekly basis for Amazon. And we have identified this as a breakout pre-COVID. It ran up to here, the 29 levels, the 2880 level, right? And then it had a major breakout here. So after that breakout, it got rejected and then ran, hit the new all-time high, and then it dumped. So let me open that up. It dumped, and then look what happened. Our previous resistance now is support. And look, that's a nice run right there. Then didn't quite make it. Linger, and then boom. It hit here. So that is a buy signal, right? So do you guys identify another support? Okay, Kylie. Kylie has a question. Do you want to unmute yourself? Or you can type too. Gladys, will you be continuing?
Where's the $19 Fortnite card?
Huh? I don't know. Where's the $19 Fortnite card? I don't know. It's probably in the Roblox app. I'm not sure. How'd you get here? So okay, Peter, I'm recording it, so it's okay if we don't. So I just want to finish this for everyone before I go on. Okay, so I also identified this as a support. This is 3170. What was that? I don't have a Fortnite card. Okay. So in the past, so you have that, and then you have this as a support. Bounce off like boom. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, great. Happy Thanksgiving, Peter. Okay, so we are at the weekly. Are you guys comfortable with this? Let's put a resistance, right? So this hit an all-time high, and then it